you're experiencing high ping in League of Legends, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to quickly address and potentially reduce your ping issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test to see if your download and upload speeds are adequate for gaming. Step 2. Close background applications. Shut down any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online activities that could be affecting your connection. Step 3. Change your DNS settings. Switching to a faster DNS server can improve your connection. Go to your network settings, find the DNS settings, and change them to a public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare 1.1, 1.1. Step 4. Use an Ethernet connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing ping. Step 5. Optimize game settings. In League of Legends, go to the game settings and load the graphics settings. This can help improve performance and reduce lag, especially if your system is struggling to run the game smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping and enhance your gaming experience in League of Legends. Good luck on the Rift!